Okay, friends, so we are starting with our first topic, that is MS Word shortcut. So the first file I'm opening, MS Word shortcuts. So if you want, you can take a pen and a paper and note down some important shortcuts. Or if you want, you can open a notepad and go on typing when I will be teaching you. After teaching this, I will be giving you sufficient time for the practice. So don't worry about that. Okay, so you will be given a time for practice. So let's start. So let's say you have opened a simple Word file, and here it is written a heading, interested in junior marketing program. Now this data is on the left hand side. And let's say if you want to bring this in a center or on a right side, how do you do that? The same shortcut is there in PowerPoint. I don't know if you remember. So if I just click on the data, no need of selecting also, just put the cursor on it, on any of this, and you press Control R, it will go right side. Control L, it will go left side, and Control E, it will go on the center. Let me do one small thing for you. Let me also open this Word file so that you can see it. So I say, for example, MS Word shortcuts. The first one we saw was Control L, then Control R, and the third one is Control E. Here I will write center. The fourth one, which is very, very important, is the fourth is you will select the data. Oh, you can even select like this, 1, 2, 3, triple click. I will write triple click on the data to select entire line. Okay, so this entire line will be selected. If you double click, only the particular one word is selected. If you triple click little fast, and it selects everything. And now I am pressing this shortcut, that is your Control close bracket, that is a square, this is known as a square bracket, huh? And Control open square bracket, this is for what? Increase and decrease in font size. So I say Control close bracket, and you will see it is increasing a font, and this is decreasing a font. So I say, for example, increase font size, and this is your decrease font size. And the sixth very important shortcut, which you all might be knowing, which we do in PowerPoint also, that is your Shift F3. I hope you remember this. That is convert data into capital or small letters. Okay, so you will have little bit revision also, which you already know. Shift F3, Shift F3, Shift F3. Lovely. Oh, you want more? Then you have more change cases options, which you can do it from here. In the home, you get this small A capital and small. This is, so here you get sentence case, means the first character only will be capital. A is the capital. And then you have lowercase, uppercase, capitalize each word. It's better to use a shortcut for it. Got it, everybody? And then three basic, very, very basic shortcut, which you all should be knowing. But still, in case if somebody don't know, I'm just adding it over here. And that is your Control V. I know you know that. Control I. And the next one is your Control U. That is bold, italic, and underline. So I select Control B, it will become dark. Control I, it will become little bit slant, that is italic, and Control U for underline. Got it? Can you give it a try? This 9 shortcuts quickly. You should do this in next 1 minute. When you are done, put it under the chat box, done, and then we will move little bit more ahead in shortcut itself, the second part of the shortcuts. Okay. Thank you.